Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So we are going to start the science and technology, which is the ninth standard science book. Okay, so we are continuing with our chapter called work and energy. Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are going to start the new topic of our chapter called work and energy of the standard 9 science and technology. So we will learn the free fall today. What we are going to learn? The free fall. So we have to understand what is free fall. Okay. So suppose this is the object. This is an object with mass m1, or we can say the mass m. Okay. Or take mass m1, and this is the earth, and it is the surface of the earth. Okay. And we know the mass of earth is capital M. So when we will release this object from the certain height above the earth's surface, it will fall toward the earth. Okay. And suppose here any other force are not applying on this object, that means only gravitational force is work here. Okay. So then the object will fall on the earth's surface. Okay. So the fall of an object due to the influence of gravitational force only. Gravitational force. So due to gravitational force, the object will fall on the surface, okay, of the earth, and ultimately the force works at the center of the earth. Okay, but here particles of earth surface are present, due to the object will fall on the surface only. Okay. So what will be the definition for free fall? The fall of an object, the fall of an object due to the influence of gravitational force only is called as free fall. Okay. So you have to write down the definition first. So what is free fall? The fall of an object due to the influence of gravitational force only. Gravitational force only is called as free fall. Is called as free fall. Now we will discuss about one more topic called the law of conservation of energy. The law of conservation of energy. Okay. So what is the law of conservation of energy? So we know energy cannot be created and energy can't be created nor be, or we will use here neither. Energy neither it is NEITHER. Neither be created and nor be destroyed. But can converts from one form to another, is called as law of conservation of energy. Okay. So this is the all about the law of conservation of energy. So we know एनर्जी को न तो हम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं और न ही डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं, बस एनर्जी को एक फॉर्म से दूसरे फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। दैट्स ऑल। दिस इज नथिंग बट द लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी। नाउ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट। सो वी नो total energy of an object is equals to the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. So we know total energy equals to, what is kinetic energy? It is half into mv square plus what is potential energy? It is m into g into h. Suppose any object will fall on the earth. It is nothing but the earth surface. Okay, suppose this is the position A of object, let this is the position B of an object, and at the surface the position is C. So when object reaches from A to B and then B to C, then what will be the kinetic energy and potential energy or total energy of an object at a certain height above the earth surface? Okay, that we have to understand. So as we know, see, v is nothing but the velocity. So we know total energy of an object at a पर इस ऑब्जेक्ट की एनर्जी क्या होगी? ओके, सो हियर एट इनिशियल स्टेट ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी एट रेस्ट. अब जब ऑब्जेक्ट रेस्ट कंडीशन में रहेगा तो यहाँ पर जो वेलोसिटी है वो क्या हो जाएगी? ज़ीरो. सो ज़ीरो का स्क्वायर इज ज़ीरो, ज़ीरो इंटू एम इज ज़ीरो, एम इंटू हाफ इज ज़ीरो. दैट मीन्स टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज इक्वल्स टू potential energy, that is mgh. Now potential energy, total energy of an object at a point B. So total energy of an object at point B. At a point the height is reduced from here to here. So ऑब्जेक्ट की एनर्जी पॉइंट बी पर कितनी हो जाएगी? दिस मच. और ये भी किसके बराबर होती है? एम जी एच के बराबर. सो ये भी हो जाएगा टोटल एनर्जी एट पॉइंट बी विल बी अगेन एम जी एच. एंड व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट रीचेस ओवर हियर एट अ पॉइंट सी, टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट एट पॉइंट सी. सो ये कितना हो जाएगा? इट इज ऑल्सो इक्वल्स टू टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट एट पॉइंट सी इज अगेन इक्वल्स टू एम जी एच. बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फॉर्मूला व्हाट विल हैपन, यहाँ पर फाइनल वेलोसिटी, अब ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? फाइनल वेलोसिटी भी क्या हो जाएगी? ज़ीरो हो जाएगी. अब जब ज़ीरो हो जाएगी तो क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पर आ गया ऑब्जेक्ट, उस कंडीशन में ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी एट रेस्ट. अब रेस्ट कंडीशन में तो इसकी जो वेलोसिटी क्या हो जाएगी? ज़ीरो हो जाएगी. अब ज़ीरो हो जाएगी तो दिस पार्ट विल बिकम ज़ीरो, देयरफॉर एम जी एच विल रिमेन. हेंस टोटल एनर्जी एट पॉइंट सी इज ऑल्सो एम जी एच. नाउ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज पावर. नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज पावर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज पावर? Power is the capacity of a person or a machine which works in a given period of time is called as power. Therefore, power equals to work divided by time. So, power is represented by P and work is represented by W and time is T. So, P equals to W divided by T is nothing but the power of any machine or person which works या amount of work in a given period of time is called as its power. Okay, so if the power will be more, then the person will contain more energy. If the power is less, then the person will contain less energy. Okay, so students, we are completing our today's session here because we have completed our this chapter. Okay, so just go through your topic or different topic of this chapter and just understand, because your exams are coming very close to you. Okay, so please do prepare well and solve numericals also which are given in your textbook. So by next video we will complete the solve examples which are given in your textbook. Okay, so students, we are completing our today's session here. Okay, so आपको जो बुक के पीछे में एक्सरसाइज दिया हुआ है, एक्सरसाइज के ऊपर वर्क करना है. यू हैव टू लर्न एंड अंडरस्टैंड द आंसर्स एंड questions and their answers. Okay, and if you will be able to solved example which are given in your textbook page number 29, there are 5 questions are given on numericals A, B, C, D and E. so E वाला जो क्वेश्चन है वो बहुत ज़्यादा इजी है. Ravi applied a force wala है ना, and we have first 4 question that we will solve in our next video. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही. Bye for now.